I signed up for the course because I really wanted to improve both my leadership and my communication skills. So I really appreciated the sessions on identifying your values, because that means that when I'm now looking for a career, I can choose one which aligns with those values. So when I'm then in the job, I can perform to my best in an environment that makes me happy. And I also now have a far clearer idea of what makes a good CV and how to perform well in an interview. I think my key takeaway would be how to use your strengths and your values to develop your personal brand and your USP, because that was completely new and something I hadn't done before. So now it means that I know the value that I bring to a team, and it means I'm a lot more confident in applying to jobs. There were lots of favourite bits, but I think the most excellent bit was when we practiced spontaneous speaking. Now this was really tricky at first and I wasn't looking forward to it, but then it was explained to us in a very structured way, and we learned how to use our tone and our voice and our body to talk on something that we'd only just heard of. So by the end of it, we were much better. There are many ways in which this course stands out from all the other ones. For example, you're in very small groups in a supportive and creative atmosphere, which means that you can really home in on those weaknesses and develop them in a supportive environment. The course is also a lot broader than all of the other programs out there, which means that you can develop a range of skills in a supportive atmosphere. But what really makes the course stand out is that you're applying what you've learned in a very interactive way. So you're practicing these skills firsthand and receiving really good quality feedback, which means that you perfect the skills and actually remember them when you walk out the door, which is something that doesn't usually happen. I'd recommend the course for lots of reasons, but I think mainly because it actually works. You leave it feeling so enriched because you've learned lots, you've practiced new skills with a group of people that have now become your friends. And really what it means is that you can just turn your weaknesses into strengths.